Okay, we have set up camp and now we're coming over this way because we want to see what we look like to everybody who's driving back or driving by. La bottle no se mira. Well, kind of, pero not really. Más se mira la de esa.
Vamos a llegar primero hasta acá y luego ya. Para ver cómo se mira desde la calle, pues.
So we put these two sticks so that people won't come into our territory. It's ours.
That's what I was saying, if we put another one. When you're driving, you definitely see the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
But just here, when you're about to turn. So that's perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see us. That's good. We put light in the tent. Now we're more noticeable for sure. Okay, so you have a light source, and then you put a water bottle on it. And it lightens everything up. See? Wow. I learned that from my fiance. Look at that tent. And then, watch this. There you have it. Light. Let there be light. Same. We still have to work out even though we're on camping. 75 days.
No excuses.
No excuses. So that thing is like all droopy. So we want to make it look better. We're going to do a home improvement. Muy bien, amor. Thank you for our home improvement. Y también el calentón. Yay. I am getting cold already. Okay, so our mattress is deflating. But it's okay, we're gonna get one tomorrow morning. Ooh. Doesn't it look like that? Good morning. Today's plan is gonna be to cook breakfast. We're gonna go to Walmart or somewhere to get a new mattress. We have something called the camping special for our breakfast, and we'll show you how to make that. Yay! Wow. We made it. It was like a 30-minute drive from up there, but we made it. Yay! Cheers to an air mattress that works. Yo pienso.
This is queen.
The cheapest ones. We're checking out, going back to camp. Had to stop and get some diesel, and then we're heading back up to camp, and that's it. We're not leaving there until we have to actually leave. Oh, look at that boat. Okay, so we went to Walmart and we got solar lights. So I want to take them out so we can start to get the sun. So at nighttime, we have light. Ah. Okay, we're gonna put it to charge in the sun. And mi amor is getting the kitchen all set up. We're working on making our camping special. Gotta use your resources. Pinecones.
Natural fiber.
There you go. It's the best it's gonna get.
Wow.
Yeah. Yay! Breakfast is ready. Okay, and then we also got this thing from Amazon because we're gonna take propane from the big propane tank and put it into those little ones for the stove.
No necesito estar volteado.
Okay, we're gonna test it out because we're not fully convinced that it was moving over.
Yeah.
There you go. Yay! Now we're gonna do a bike repair on the gas tank because when we made the purchase, it was broken right there. So my love got this thing called JB Welding.
Quitar el plástico ese porque no sé hasta dónde está hasta abajo la crack. Ok, más. Le vamos a limpiar con alcohol para que quitarle tierra, grasa, lo que sea, para que agarre mejor el pegamento, que es como una plastilina. Fíjate, es gris y negra. So cuando las haces mix los dos, gets activated, hardens up. See? So when you got a uniform color, you start applying. So I'm gonna put my finger in to hold it, just in case something goes in.
Yay! Repair complete. Now we're just gonna wait an hour or so, maybe less, and get going on the bikes. We have walkie-talkie, guys. Que digas algo para el video.